Hey, Kobe, now let us know when you're ready to start, okay?
Yeah, okay. My baby, I can't say
Alright, who can do that 10 times right here? Yeah, nice stroke, nice stroke. You should show them how you do it with the baby on your back.
Yeah, there's our brother here, and his dad has been doing this for ages. And it's a generational business and has passed on to them as well. And he's going to take us through how did they get it down? How are they able to get this and change the color and everything that is suitable to every human color? Whether you are black, blue, yellow, whatsoever, you have no problem with it at all. It's a natural thing. That's what I was talking about this morning about nature. Nature is so good. So we are in your hands, Alaji. He's known as Alaji, but he hasn't been to Mecca before.
Okay. You are welcome to Adinkra home.
Thank you.
And here they prepared the natural dye. Only black color. They prepare it. And the color came from this tree. And this tree they call it badie. Badie. It's the back of the tree. And this one you can't grow it or you can't get it. It's from north. It's part of Ghana.
What he's saying is that getting this here is impossible. You can only get this at the savannah land, savannah woodland. That's where you can get this. And savannah woodland is in the northern part. We are in the forest area. So that's what he's saying. Go ahead.
My mother traveled from here to north and stay about 1.5 months or 1 month because you can't get it on the town. You use truck to go far away and buy all this. And at the same time, there's a medicine for malaria.
Wow.
It's most people use to treat malaria. Like this one, when you soak it, you can drink at any time. It doesn't get any problem.
Whoa.
And sometimes, the rain season, you get it soft. But the dry season, you can't get it soft because it's hard. So when you bring it down here, they turn it. You break down to smaller pieces, like this. Then when you get this, you soak it in water.
Okay.
Just ordinary water for 24 hours. Then after soak, it comes soft.
Waterlogged.
When you get this soft, they have mortar here, like my sister do it. And 2 people can make it at the same time.
Alternate.
Alright, would anybody like to try?
Yes?
Come on, ladies, put your backs into it. Let's go. Let's go.
No, I've done it so many times, trust me. I know how. You want to have it.
First, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, do it.
Your camera.
Because I know
It's all good.
Yeah. You find something here.
not for this one.
You good?
You gotta come a little stronger. You gotta come a little stronger, sister.
Alright, put some muscle into it. Bang, bang.
Come on, ladies. Come on, ladies.
Harder.
You hit like girls, my goodness.
There you go.
Hi.
At your own pace.
I'm next. No, hold on.
Look this way.
First, 1, 2.
Hold up for a minute.
I doing that.
Wait, excuse me. Sherry,
Let me get a picture of Cat.
Oh, 1 minute. I want to get that one shot.
Just let me get.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Pose
Can I
shot.
get one picture? Let me do it.
I want to do it rhythmically.
Okay, I'm trying.
Do it opposite.
See, my wife got experience. Look at that. That's how you do it.
Bang, bang.
You can tell who's from Africa.
Harder, harder.
That's better. One more time.
Yeah. See, my queen know what's up.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. That's how they do it in Ethiopia.
Yeah, go ahead and try.
Let me do it with you. Let me see.
Good job. Good job. I got that shot, sis.
Thank you, sis. Go ahead with her.
Especially the last one. Look at the last one.
You gotta alternate. You gotta alternate. Alternate. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go.
Like pistons.
Yeah.
But when you make it like this, I think spend about 2 weeks before they can find this. They don't make it hard.
Yeah. And it's to make it harder.
Yeah. Hit it. Hit it like it went in your purse or something. You know.
Next. Who wants to
They
try?
done took money out your purse. Hit it.
Next.
There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Bang, bang. I would not want to be down there right now.
That thing. Beat that thing.
Look at that. Muhammad, they putting it down now.
Okay, who wants to try?
Well, Muhammad.